I surprised my wife with this recipe and she loved it. It was inspired by a dish I had at a restaurant, but done with shakshuka. Basically, it's the reinvention of shakshuka. This recipe has definitely become one of our favorites. Please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. First, let's make the yogurt and get that out of the way. For the yogurt mint sauce, we need 360 grams of yogurt, a bunch of coriander or cilantro, a bunch of mint, 1 clove of garlic, and half a lemon. Put everything in a cup together with the lemon juice. I'll be using a hand blender to make this into a paste. Some people like to add the yogurt as well and blend it all together, but the yogurt will become very watery and we definitely want to avoid that here. You want it to be pasty, just like this. Now let's add this to our yogurt and mix it all together. You'll most likely have extra yogurt, which you can store away in the fridge for another time. This is exactly what we want. Let's put this in the fridge whilst we make the shakshuka. For the shakshuka we need 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 5 medium-sized tomatoes, a bunch of mini sweet peppers, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, salt and black pepper to taste. We'll also need a handful of finely chopped coriander or cilantro. We'll only use half of that. The other half we'll use for garnishing. Before we start cooking, let's prepare everything we need for plating and garnish. We'll need 1 tablespoon of sliced almond, 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 5 chili peppers. Half of the finely chopped coriander or cilantro we chopped earlier. Mix everything together and put it aside for later use. Sauté the onion and garlic for 1 minute. After a minute we can add the tomatoes and peppers. Now let's add all the other spices: salt, black pepper, paprika, chili powder and cumin. can let that sit there for about 2 minutes. Once the tomatoes are saucy like this, we can add tomato paste, followed by the chili flakes and half of the coriander. Mix it all and let that cook for 1 minute. Add some water and let that simmer for another 2 minutes. Whilst the shakshuka sauce is getting ready, make 4 poached eggs and toast 2 slices of bread. Cut the toasted bread just like this. Now for plating, you want to base it with the yogurt mint sauce we prepared earlier. Then add the shakshuka sauce on half of the plate, just like this. Now add the poached eggs. Add a thin layer of yogurt on the bread. Now we can add the breadcrumb mix on the bread. Sprinkle the finely chopped coriander everywhere. Spread the red chili peppers everywhere and the breadcrumb spices mix we made earlier. Add the toasted bread. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.